Everyone, my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to write a simple but catchy professional resume using two amazing tools, ChatGPT and Microsoft Word. If you are new to resume writing, or if you are looking for an easy, lazy way to make your resume stand out, this video is for you. To all my wonderful subscribers and for those who already commented and asking me to make a video for resume, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you would have a professional resume ready to be sent out. As you can see, I'm already on ChatGPT. ChatGPT has free version and all of the outputs are pretty much the same. So you can get the same value if you're using the free version. Sign into your ChatGPT and then right here, we're going to be using ChatGPT to help generate the content for our resume. ChatGPT can quickly create a professional resume that outlines and highlights your skills, experience, and strengths, okay? Let's start by typing in a simple prompt like this. Okay, just simple prompt. Say, write me a professional resume for an entry level customer service representative. Okay, customer service representative with skills in, every one of us should have, basic skills like communication, problem solving. Of course, we do, solve problems in our individual homes. And then say, and handling customer inquiries. As a customer service, we should be able to answer their calls and be able to listen to their complaints. Okay, so but you can modify this prompt as per your unique personalities. Okay, whatever works for you, but start with giving ChatGPT a simple prompt like this. This will generate a resume tailored for someone applying to customer service job, even if you don't have much work experience. As you can see, it's generating, the content for us. So lovelies, you can see that ChatGPT has created a resume with sections like summary. ChatGPT provided us, this wonderful, beautiful format where you can fill in your name, address, city, state, phone number, email, and LinkedIn if you have one. And this is the objective, this summary. You see how he already provided us a summary. Highly motivated and detail-oriented individual seeking an entry-level customer service representative position. And he said, bringing strong communication, problem-solving skills, and a passion for assisting customers with their inquiries, dedicated to delivering exceptional service and building positive relationships with customers to ensure satisfaction. So look at this is a summary. This is you branding yourself. If there are other unique personalities you want to add here, feel free to edit and add to this, and we will come to when we're going to be editing it. We do all of this. I will show you guys. Look at this. ChatGPT has also added you skills and relevant experience that is perfect for customer service role. See, he says communication. This is what the employers will be looking out for. They need someone who can communicate. Excellent verbal and written communication, problem solving, customer inquiries, conflict resolution, time management, collaboration, technical, proficiency. Okay, so as we are reviewing the content, if you have like any part-time jobs or volunteer experience, you can edit and add all of that even to your experience or even your education. This is an entry level. Perhaps you have your high school diploma, but if you have your college, this will be a place to edit and put all of that. If you have any work history, here is where to highlight them. Assuming you have like a part-time job, you've worked, say, in a fast food or in a retail, you've worked as a retail handler where you have dealt with customers, remember you're looking for customer service. So this will be where to highlight all of that. And then we're going to be moving on to how to edit this to suit our personality. Once you're happy with the content from Chat GPT, copy and paste it into a new Word document. So we're just going through, and if you don't like what ChatGPT has given you or reading out, you could also provide another prompt here and say rewrite it and add whatever you want ChatGPT to add to it. But I think this is fair enough. This looks good. So what we're gonna do will be to copy this. Okay, copy, Control C, copy, and we will be heading to Microsoft Word. So my lovelies, this is Microsoft Word. Okay, I copied what we had from ChatGPT and I'm pasting it here, guys. As you can see, this is the output from ChatGPT. You have the option to fill in this with your name and fill in other of your information, and you click on the file and save, and this is your resume. But then to make the resume look more professional, we can use the resume template found on this Word. Okay, so we're gonna go to new file. We click on new here, and right here we will be searching for resume template. Okay, and you hit enter. So this is where you have lots of resume templates to make it look so classy yet professional. We're gonna be picking just a clean, easy to read template. Something simple is perfect for a customer service job. Employers want to see your skills and experience clearly. I would go for this. This is basic modern resume. So let's choose this right here. Once you have chosen a template like this, replace the placeholder text with information from ChatGPT. Remember what we already copied from ChatGPT? It's time to bring it and paste in here. Okay, and then you're going to adjust the fonts, the heading sections as needed to make everything look neat. Okay, while you are doing that, you're also making sure that you keep your bullet points clear and short, focusing on skills like your communication, handling complaints, and working in a fast-paced environment. These are great for customer service role. Okay, so I just pasted what we brought from ChatGPT. As you can see, now I want to edit the name. Here, ChatGPT gave us the name here. So this, I'm going to take this out. So it's time to edit, put it final touches to all of this. And I'm going to put name here. For instance, say your name is Sally Johnson. As you can see, I'm just putting final touches to this. Before you finish, let's take a moment to adjust the margins, and double check for any spellings, formatting mistakes. Make sure the resume fit nicely. If it can fit on one page, fine. Otherwise, two page is just perfect for entry levels, okay? And then you want to check, okay, here your education. If you have a high school diploma, you want to throw that in here. If you don't have high school, you can take it out. If you have a college degree, this is where you want to add additional educational experience or qualification you have. Okay. And here is the experience. If you've worked in any retail, anywhere, fast food, you want to replace with this name here. The city, the state, start date to end date. Say you started August, you can just put, August 2024, 2024 to will be the end date. Make sure to take all these parentheses out. You can say December, okay? December is 12, 2024. That's your end date. So you don't want to put the date and as well the end date, like so. So you want to put the date, the city, and the time you started and when you end. If you are still working, you can say to present. You can just do present here. Okay? And that tells the employer that you're still currently employed. Then also list your past, experience, the previous places you worked. You can also add them here. If you don't have them, feel free to take them out. Here, under here is certification. If you have any certification licenses, put them here. If you don't have, feel free to take them out. This is the time to just edit and dot your I's and cross your T's and make sure the spellings are correct. References, I would prefer to leave available upon request. Okay. And this right here, we can just edit this skirt, put it right here to just signify that that's the end of our resume. Okay, guys, so you can see what we came up with. And phone number, make sure it's correct. Your city and state, preferably. Okay, you don't want to put your house address. I don't think employers want to come to your house. Make sure your email is correct, whatever is your email. Feel free replace, put your name, customer service represent, whatever post you want to apply for. Put it right here. And when you are done, you are satisfied, the spellings look good and everything looks good. Okay? Then you want to download. Okay? Voila, guys, look at it. I saved this as PDF. Remember, do not send Microsoft Word to an employer. No, no, no. This is it, guys. I saved this. It's looking professional already. Your first resume done. And that's it. In just a few steps, lovelies, we've created a professional customer service resume using ChatGPT and Microsoft Word. It's super simple. I call it the lazy way. And this takes the stress out of writing your first resume. Of course, it can be improved on. If this video has helped you in any ways, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly job tips. Subscribe for more information on how we all can become financially independent. Good luck with your job hunt, and thanks for watching.